In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit markers in DaVinci Resolve. If you use markers to organize your timeline, leave reminders, or highlight important moments in your edit, knowing how to update them properly can save you time and keep your project much more organized. The good news is that editing a marker in DaVinci Resolve is very simple, and once you know where to click, the whole process only takes a few seconds. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the area where your marker is already placed. This could be on a clip or directly on the timeline, depending on how you created it. Take a moment to locate the specific marker you want to edit so you're working on the correct one, especially if your timeline contains several markers close together. Once you've found the marker you want to change, double-click on it. This will open the marker settings window, which is where all of the editable details are stored. If nothing happens right away, just make sure you're clicking directly on the marker itself and not beside it. Inside this marker window, you'll be able to change the marker's name. This is useful if you want to make your label more specific or easier to recognize later. You can also add notes, which is a great way to leave yourself detailed reminders, instructions, or extra context about that exact point in the timeline. You also have the option to add a keyword. Keywords can be especially helpful in larger projects because they make markers easier to sort through and identify at a glance. If you're trying to create a more organized workflow, this is a small feature that can make a big difference. From the same window, you can change the marker's color as well. Many editors use different colors to represent different types of tasks or categories, so adjusting the color can make your timeline much easier to read visually. You can also manually set the duration and time of the marker here. This gives you more precise control, which is useful if you want the marker to cover a specific span, instead of just marking a single point. If accuracy matters in your edit, entering these values manually can be more reliable than adjusting them by eye. After you've made the changes you want, your marker is updated, and that's all there is to it. As you can see, editing markers in DaVinci Resolve is quick and straightforward, and it's a helpful skill for keeping your projects clean, clear, and easy to manage.